Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Google Sheet tutorial how to break line. So for example, I will create a border. You can click the border icons and I will choose this option, all borders. And if you want to create break line, like I will create break line in the second line, you can go to border again and then you can click these icons, border style, and then choose the break line or dot line this icon, or you can click in it. I will use this option, and then you can apply by clicking at this bottom border. So it will be create the break line. I will apply again in this point. You can set into this border. Okay, to change into normal, you can set again the border style into this option. Okay, that's it for basic Google Sheet tutorial, how to break line. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.